Where are the worst storms in the solar system? And if you've been following along with this series, you'll know that it's not the Earth. Yes, today we are talking about Jupiter, a planet so large that one of its storms can completely engulf the planet Earth. And that storm is visible in this picture. That spot there, the Great Red Spot, is a storm that is big enough to completely engulf the planet Earth. It has been raging for the last 190 Earth years, and there's some debate as to whether or not it is the same storm that was observed as early as 1600. Not only is Jupiter massive in terms of size, it is massive in terms of, well, mass, coming in at 318 times the mass of the Earth. For such a big planet though, it has an incredibly short day at just 10 hours long. And it takes about 11 Earth years to orbit the Sun. Jupiter's structure is actually up for debate a little bit. Originally it was thought it had a solid core, whereas more recent suggestions think that the core is actually bigger but more fuzzy than was originally thought and maybe less solid. Core is surrounded by a layer of what we call metallic hydrogen. This is hydrogen that has been compressed to a point where it is liquid, and then the electrons have been forced off that liquid, letting it generate an electric current. This is thought to be the cause of Jupiter's immense magnetic field. Surrounding that, there is the largest ocean in the solar system, however it's made of liquid hydrogen and not water. And surrounding that is the gaseous outer layers of the planet, making Pluto a gas giant. Overall, it's thought that Jupiter is about 76% hydrogen and about 24% helium. This composition has led some to say that Jupiter is a failed star, whereas I would say Jupiter is a successful planet. This is because as massive as Jupiter actually is, it is still nowhere near as big as the Sun or any other potential protostars that we've observed. This has been day 7 of my tour of the solar system, but we're not done yet, so make sure that you're liking and following along so that you don't miss any. Leave any questions in the comments below, and until next time, I have been Dr. Alex Foden, the Science Wrangler, and I shall see you one of these days.